Then comes, what?
Yeah, we have a break. Papaya time.
Yeah, they're delicious here.
Put it in the sun that I see something. Okay, looks great. We are here on the Highway 16 towards Yagora, I think. Through Serra Madre. Very nice road, curvy road. First we went from Sahuaripa south, about 100 kilometers, took us 2.5 hours. Plenty of potholes, animals, whatever you want on the street. And now this is a bit bigger road here. Looks very nice here. Don't really see now the beauty as we're just a bit in a spot with plenty of trees. He doesn't like me. We just invaded the hotel here, Brothers Hotel. Yeah. There's a Skippy, tired, exhausted.
Yes, that was rather heavy day.
Yeah. Now this is a 500 pesos room with 2 beds, satellite TV.
But see, you know, there's a
Wi-Fi.
girl bed and a boy bed.
Ah, that's why I took that one, because it's a girl bed.
It's pink. Oh.
Really?
You're boring.
Yeah, we have a heater because we are here about in 2,200 meter height.
Yeah, we are really cool surrounding.
I got some veggies, some old veggies.
Oh, fruits.
Ah, fruits, of course, fruits.
Frutas,
Frutas. And here is our
rice
making rice dinner food.
Starch solution evening.
Yes. Skippy, how was the road? Did you like it?
Yeah, the road was fun. I mean, it was rather heavy at some points, but it was exciting and fun. Plenty of curves, really cool scenery. Just my body didn't like driving today, but otherwise it was really fun. And it's really spectacular views here. Unbelievable. Didn't expect that for Mexico. My Mexico image was totally different, so Doesn't feel like we would be in Mexico now. Yep. I like. Very nice here. Wolfi yrittää olla ammattilainen. Ottaa lampusta kuvaa. No se on insinööri. Siellä on vähän synkkä ilma. Mennään tuohon. Vähän synkkä päivä tänään. Yes! Napakymppi! Täällä on tuossa kauestaan napakymppi. Napakymppi. Yes! Selkää. Oops.
This is a tutorial from whatabouTGalaxyNode.com.
Oh,
Well, finally it loaded.
Wolf is getting smart. Let's pick up. Oh, our door is difficult. Yeah. Bit boring day. It's raining. Well, luckily we are not biking. Oh, and these local dogs look so sad. Poor babies. Soaking there. Oh. Ja Lyltsi valittaa, vaikka on lämpimässä ja kuivassa. Sulla on Lyra kuule 100 kertaa paremmat olot kuin noilla koirilla. Ei kannattaisi valittaa.
Yes. Very nice forest.
Yes. All wet. Look where the baby's going now. Alpo! Mihin sä meinaat mennä?
Very nice forest. Cool rocks. Endless game. And in the middle of the forest there is a big cactus. Another one. Yeah, and here also a small cactus. Have to watch where one steps.
Every minute, people upload 300 hours of material to YouTube. Oh my god, the server farms it. Thank you. Oops. Welcome.